want a leaner, stronger body, whether you're aiming to bulk up or simply tone your muscles, the journey starts with the right nutrition. Protein is your secret weapon. It's not just for bodybuilders, it's for anyone looking to improve their fitness and health. Think of proteins as the building blocks of your muscles. They provide the essential amino acids your body needs to grow and repair. They're essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue after tough workouts. When you push your body to its limits, protein helps you bounce back stronger. But it's not just about building bigger muscles. Protein supports endurance and stamina, helping you perform better in every aspect of your fitness routine. Protein plays a vital role in overall health, supporting everything from your immune system to hormone production. It helps keep your body balanced and functioning optimally. Without enough protein, your body simply can't function at its best. You may feel fatigued and your recovery time can be longer. The good news is that incorporating more protein into your diet is easier than you think. With a variety of sources available, you can easily meet your daily protein needs. From delicious whole foods like lean meats, fish, and legumes to convenient supplements like protein powders and bars, there are plenty of ways to power up your protein intake and see real results. Ready to unlock the power of protein? Let's dive in and discover how you can build a stronger, healthier you with the right nutrition. Want to boost your metabolism and burn more calories even at rest? Protein is the key. Compared to carbs and fats, protein requires more energy for your body to digest and process. This means you burn more calories simply by consuming a protein-rich meal or snack. But that's not all. Protein also helps you build and maintain lean muscle mass, which is a major calorie burning machine. The more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism, and the easier it is to lose fat and keep it off. So, if you're looking to fire up your metabolism and achieve your weight loss goals, make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. Feeling sore after a tough workout? Protein can help. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This is a normal part of the muscle building process. But to repair these tears and build stronger muscles, your body needs protein. Consuming protein after your workout provides your muscles with the amino acids they need to rebuild and recover. This helps reduce muscle soreness, speed up recovery time, and get you back to crushing your workouts faster. So don't neglect your post-workout nutrition. Make sure you're refueling with a protein-rich meal or snack within an hour or two after exercise. Section 4. Oxygenate your muscles, power up your workouts. Want to improve your athletic performance and endurance? Protein plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout your body, including your muscles. Red blood cells, which carry oxygen, contain a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen in your lungs and delivers it to your muscles, providing them with the energy they need to perform. Without enough protein, your body can't produce enough hemoglobin, which can lead to fatigue, shortness of breath, and decreased athletic performance. So if you're looking to optimize your workouts and push your limits, make sure you're fueling your body with adequate protein. Section 5. Sculpt your physique. Define and refine with protein. Want to sculpt a leaner, more defined physique. Achieving that chiseled look requires more than just hitting the gym. It's about what you fuel your body with too. Protein is your secret weapon. It's not just for bodybuilders. It's for anyone looking to enhance their muscle definition and overall fitness. As we've discussed, protein is essential for building muscle. When you lift weights or do resistance training, your muscles experience tiny tears. Protein helps repair and grow these muscles stronger, but it also plays a crucial role in fat loss. By increasing your protein intake, you can boost your metabolism, which helps your body burn more calories even at rest. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. This can be particularly beneficial when trying to cut down on unhealthy snacks and maintain a balanced diet. It also helps preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss, which is key for maintaining a toned and sculpted look. Losing weight without losing muscle is crucial for a healthy and fit appearance, but the benefits of protein go beyond aesthetics. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and staying healthy. Getting enough protein supports long-term health by strengthening your bones, boosting your immune system, and regulating your hormones. It's a vital nutrient for overall well-being. So, if you're looking to transform your body and improve your overall health, make sure you're incorporating plenty of protein into your diet. From lean meats to plant-based sources, there are plenty of options to choose from. Section 6. Your protein powerhouse. Top food sources and supplements. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, understanding the best sources of protein is key. Ready to boost your protein intake? Let's dive into the top food sources and supplements that can help you meet your protein needs effectively and deliciously. Here are some top food sources to add to your plate. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, fish, and lean beef. These meats are not only rich in protein, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Eggs, which are one of the most complete protein sources available, they contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a perfect choice for muscle repair and growth. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are also excellent sources of protein. Opt for low-fat or Greek yogurt for a lower calorie option that still packs a protein punch. Greek yogurt in particular is higher in protein compared to regular yogurt, making it a great choice for a protein-rich snack or breakfast. Cheese, while delicious, should be consumed in moderation due to its higher fat content. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are fantastic plant-based protein sources. They're also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, are not only rich in protein but also provide healthy fats and other essential nutrients. Walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are excellent additions to your diet. They can be easily added to salads, smoothies, or eaten as a snack. Supplements can also be a convenient way to boost your protein intake, especially if you're short on time or have high protein needs. They come in various forms, including powders, bars, and ready-to-drink shakes. Whey protein is a fast-digesting protein ideal for post-workout recovery. It helps to quickly replenish the muscles and support muscle repair and growth. Casein protein is a slow-digesting protein, perfect for a bedtime snack to support muscle growth overnight. It provides a steady release of amino acids while you sleep. Plant-based protein powders like pea protein, brown rice protein, and soy protein are great options for vegetarians and vegans. They offer a complete protein profile and are often easier to digest. Soy protein in particular is a complete protein and can be a great addition to a plant-based diet. It is versatile and can be used in various recipes. Experiment with different protein sources and find what you enjoy most. Variety is key to ensuring you get a wide range of nutrients. The key is to make protein a regular part of your diet to reap its many benefits. By incorporating a mix of these protein sources, you can support muscle growth, repair, and overall health effectively. Section 7. Embrace the power of protein. Elevate your health and fitness. Incorporating more protein into your diet is one of the most effective ways to transform your body, boost your energy levels, and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, protein isn't just for bodybuilders or athletes. It's essential for everyone, regardless of age, fitness level, or health goals. Protein supports muscle repair and growth. By making protein a priority in your diet, you'll be well on your way to building a stronger, healthier, and more energetic you.